So my toxic trait is flying my drone in places that I shouldn't be flying, right? This sense of urgency makes capturing the footage a bit more exciting, and it pays off to get the shot. So I've been contemplating how to get this drone shot, basically of me sitting at the balcony and then, you know, the drone pulling out. I'm kind of afraid that somebody would see. When I land it, I think I'm gonna land it by the Subaru, which is straight ahead, instead of trying to catch it. It does look pretty quiet. Yep, that looks like an employee. Almost certain flying a drone out of a hotel room is illegal, but you know, toxic trait. I wasn't recording this whole fucking time, bro. Come on. Damn it. I took the motion sensors off, and the third time, alright, just lost signal. Found it. Check it out. Good. Need these? Alright, take care.